Guys, you gotta check out these taillights. Pretty sick, right? What's up everyone? Today I'm doing a Honda video update. So if you haven't seen my 2 other videos, go check them out. Link is in the description. In this video, we're going to talk about the things I did outside the car, inside the car, and we're going to wash my car. So, hope you enjoy. Honda gang, what's going on? Today, I'm going to show you the updates that I've done to my car. It's been a few months since I last posted a Honda video. So, I'm going to show you guys what I've done to it. So, the first thing I've done is I got new side markers. So the ones before, they were just a LED bulb, or they weren't LED at all. They were just a little bulb, but these are full LED strips and they're white. Because before they were amber and they were black, which still look good, but I think these are better. The reason these are better is because when I use my turn signal, watch this guys. So I turn on the turn signal and look at that. Woo! Whoa. Yo, that is sick, isn't it? Is that not? And also on the right side, ooh, that is beautiful, guys. So you know I'm gonna be using my signals because we gotta show off. I mean, for safety, but mostly to show off. I'm the opposite of a BMW owner. I believe these are called the Suma Performance side markers. Link is in the description below. The second thing I got installed are these taillights. Now there's nothing wrong with the Honda original taillights except I see memes that they look like a cursed stapler. But these are way better. Let me show you guys. So I'm gonna start my car. Give me 1 sec. Alright, so let's start my car and you see that animation? Look at that. Those are also the turn signals as well. But watch this, when I actually turn the lights on, they play this animation. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. That is sick. And again, let me show you the turn signals. Come on. Okay. My car had to be on, but here's the turn signals. Here's the left one. Look at that. Woo! And the right one doesn't play. And let's do the right side. Look at that, guys. Wow. These taillights are so beautiful, guys. There's 2 options for these taillights. You got the clear one and you got the smoked ones. The smoked ones come with like a little more tint, which I have on right now. I do highly recommend over the clear ones, but if you want the clear ones, they're there. But yeah, these taillights are just so cool. They kind of look like a Mercedes, not gonna lie. To be more extra, these are the 3rd attachment I got. So the OEM or original, they don't light up like this. But on Amazon, you can buy these to light up. Buy these with wires in them, and you can splice them into the taillights. I also colored these red, these honeycomb looking things red because I thought it looked cool. And it kind of does look cool. But yeah, so you splice these wires into the taillights and they have the brakes, they have the turn signals. Also correspond to the turn signals. So watch this, guys. When I hit the left button one more time. Whoa, look at that. That is so beautiful, guys. Check that out. Wow. It's my license plate, Naruto license plate. Naruto fans out there. And for the right side, wow, look at that. And let me turn on my hazards. Hazards. Ooh. Check that out. That is sick. Got the right side lights. left side. The fog lights. Alright, so we're back at my house because I want to show you the interior of my car. I totally forgot to do it at the car wash, so I'm doing it now. But Lasfit was nice enough to send me some floor mats for my car. If you guys watch other Honda videos or car videos, you've probably seen them on other channels. I know I personally seen them on Chris FK7 and Cameron Hill. So they sent me some stuff. I'm going to show it to you guys as well. So like I said, these are the floor mats for the Honda Civic. And they're tailor-made specifically for the Honda Civic. Okay, so I just cut the tape and this is what's inside the box. If I could just open this. Alright everyone, we're outside and we're gonna take out my old mats. So here in the driver's side, let me see, take you guys with me. These are the, I believe they come OEM. These are the manufactured regular Honda floor mats. Kind of dirty, you know. I haven't cleaned my car in like, it's been like I think 2 weeks. Oh my god, so dirty in there. All right. Whew. So these are the old ones right here. They're soft and made of this, I don't know what the hell this material is, like cotton or something. Yeah, they're really nice though. I'm gonna miss these mats, but we got new ones. And we're gonna put in the new mats right here. These are made more with like a rubber. And put it in. Definitely you should go to a car wash or need a vacuum. And yeah, look how snug they fit. That's beautiful, guys. Look at that. And they have the little switch things. So when you plug them in the holes, these Honda, you guys know, because you guys probably have Hondas, but they have these little hole things, and then you twist the things and they stay in the car. All right, and now for the back. So the back ones are kind of smaller. Let's see, get this out of here, throw that away, and let's put in the Lasfit ones. Here are the two back ones. I don't think it really matters which one goes where because they're both look the same. And now we're gonna place it in the car. Boom, baby. Look at that. Look how well they fit the seats. Really flush. That's what I like. Now for the right side, take these out. Put these in. And yes. And on the passenger side, out with the old. And in with the new. Look at that. Okay. And this is the last piece. I believe it goes in the middle behind the center console right here. And there you go. I had to put the mats over the plastic part for this part, but yeah, it looks like it's part of the Honda now. So if you guys want these mats, just go to lasfit.com and you can use my special code. Yeah, so Lasfit gave me a code. It's LAUS10 for 10% off your purchase. So I want to show you guys the rest of the things I've done in the interior of my car, starting with these leather seats. So look at this, check this out. These leather seats came from Amazon and they're custom made for the Honda Civic Hatchback. Anytime you buy aftermarket leather seats, they might not look good and they don't look well. They look really tacky, but these are so flush and they look like they belong in the Civic. And you can see they're red and black, so they kind of match my red and black theme that I have going on here. So yeah, I really like them. Here are the back ones, and yeah, still look pretty good. Like, if you go to Walmart and buy like leather seats, they're probably gonna look really bad. Also in the car, I got these LEDs for the, I got LED bulbs for these lamp things, and also as well here on this side and in the back, plus the trunk. So before they were halogen colored lights, meaning they were more yellowish and not as bright. The halogen bulbs, you really couldn't see what's inside the car. But with these LED lights, the car brightens up so much. And I think that's really it for the inside of my Honda. Other than that, let's get back to the car wash. Some more updates. These are kind of faded. They were once red, but now they're like a yellowish orange. Ugh. And the ones in the front kind of fell off, so I eventually do want to get new wheels, but wheels cost like a fortune, dude. They're like $1,000. But today we're at the car wash because I need to get my car clean. It's springtime and I haven't washed it since winter. See, look at all this. There's like bird poop everywhere. There's pollen. Like, you guys can't see it, but it's there. Here's another bird poop. Look at all the dirt. Ugh. Look at all these grass cuttings. Ugh. My lip is dirty too with all this grass. Someone cutting their lawn. Look at that, someone drew a smiley face. Come on, really? Really? More bird poop, and that's some of these leaf things that kept falling from the sky. So we're gonna wash it today. Even though it's kind of raining outside, but we're just got to make do with what we have. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, it actually did rain. So here's us 1 week later. Alright, what's up everyone? Today is actually another day because last week it started to rain and I couldn't show you how to properly wash your car. So I'm here at the do-it-yourself car wash because I believe the do-it-yourself car wash is the best way to wash your car. With a regular car wash, all they're doing is having machines slap the shit out of your car. And doesn't really, I guess you can say wash your car, but that's kind of the lazy way. And at home, you don't have the pressure washer and the hose is cold or it shoots cold water. So it's not really getting that filth out. But here in a do-it-yourself car wash, it has the power washer, it has hot water, and yeah. And those are very essential to washing your car. So let's get into it. Alright guys, it's a little windy today, so hopefully it's not... What'd you say, Cynthia? You keep quiet over there. But yeah, here we have the machines. Essentially, I'm just gonna use the rinse and I'm gonna use the wash, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna use. They have all these other options and I don't really use them. Maybe the foam brush on the wheels. You really shouldn't use the brush on your car because it can really affect the paint. Or it could really scratch the paint. So avoid using the brush. It's verifying. And we're going. That's 6 minutes. Alright, here goes Cynthia. We're rewashing our car again. To dry off the car, we have these special towels right here. I think, what are they? I have no idea what these are called, but they absorb a lot of water. So essentially, damn, this kind of smells funky, but look at this. They're like, kind of look like this. And all you gotta do is pull, go that way. Look at all the dirt. Look how clean it is now. Look at this. Look at that difference. And these microfiber towels to finish the job. mustard. Alright guys, now it's time to apply the wax. Everything I showed in this video is going to be a link in the description in case you guys want it. But essentially what the wax is, it has like, it's like a clear protective coat that protects your car, and also has like this cool effect where if it rains, the rain will just come right off your car. So this is what we're going to do next. Alright guys, so this is what the wax is going to do. See this bottle right here? It stays on my car, right? Now, when we apply the wax, we're going to put a little dab amount. And now we're going to apply it to the surface. And now watch what happens to the can when I place it on the car. Slides right off. So we're gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes for the wax to cure, and by the time we're waiting, we're gonna apply this. This is a glass cleaner, the Rain-X brand, and basically it's glass cleaner and rain repellent. So anytime like rain gets on the mirrors or the windows, it just repels off. So highly recommend, and we're gonna put it on right now.